leave immediately and report to your assigned post or assembly point.
Get far back by the yard, by the building! Look. Let's do this drill.
Remember, did you start your timer?
Yeah.
Turn it, pull it down, and push it back in.
There we go. Switch keys.
That looks like a speaker, but it's not.
Right there.
What is that, Kat?
Hit it again. Hold it down for just a second. Okay, you're good. All right.
Thank you.
And that.
Attention. An emergency situation has been detected in this building. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building until directed to by the proper authorities.
Jacoby's World. Loud. I'm just on the fire alarm. God, it's loud. Alright guys, we're having to take the stairs because what's going on? I'll show you this real quick. I'm just looking at the strobes coming. I can take the stairs. Go down to the lobby.
I think that's what we're doing. We're evacuating the hotel right now. Evidently we are. And he's having a great time videoing.
It's bright. Strobes are bright. It's bright. Yo. Hold on. It's loud. Okay. Fire alarm's going off. They turned the noise off, but the lights are still flashing.
I need to ask these ladies about
I wonder what's going on. Oh. Yeah. Fire alarm's going off. Fire. Got the keys.
I got the key cards. You ready to check out?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's an awesome.
This is bright. Got the light here. Yeah. That's bright.
Okay. Thank you. Do you want some ice?
Yeah.
Let me get some ice and we're gonna go. Can I have your cup?
Yeah.
Put your cup right here. Take the lid off. Oh, you guys, you don't need it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, let's go.
It's so weird. Elevators won't go anywhere.
They won't go anywhere.
No problem. You have a good one. Thank you. Hey, good morning.
I think I need to check out 602 now. Oh, this is great. He loves it.
Thank you so much. You never see the hard copy. Got you. We got bgambletter@gmail.com. You have a great day.
Lights are flashing. Then lights are flashing. If that was a speaker, it'd be quiet. I wonder when the fire alarm's gonna. What is this? Fire. Huh? I know. When?
Must be the security guards or cameras in there. That's what it is.
He's never said it.
I
Wonder when this. Sit right. Those strobes are pretty bright.
they turn the noise off.
That was the horn that buzzed.
What kind of fire alarm is this?
I think it's called System Sensor Honeywell.
It's best part of the trip. Better than going to the mall, better than going to the
Remember the time over at church when the fire alarm went off? Remember the time when the fire alarm went off at church?
Have a good day, sir. If you want to take the stairs, go right past the elevators. You're going to make that right. Go all the way to the end of the hall, make that following right, you're going right into the steps.
I see the light. You see how the lights are flashing? The strobe's bright. It's bright. Elevators don't. Firemen. See? Elevators don't work. See? Yeah, the elevators don't work. It's insane. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe the fire alarm is going off. You want? My elevators don't work right now.
They won't work till they turn everything off.
I wonder how the elevators came down.
I wonder who pulled the fire alarm. The kids, I can see the kids here. Who do you think pulled it?
Could it have been me? Because I was
No, it wasn't.
I was in the room. We were in the room when it went off. Let me just stay here. Or let me walk around the first floor, see the other strobes.
You can go through the other stuff.
You have the key cards? You have one key card?
I got them, but you can't use them. But I just took
Oh, great.
All right, so I do apologize. Thank you so much for the extra. We had
Try to. What happened?
Somebody just pulled the fire alarm.
Ooh. That's. Ooh. Somebody pulled the fire alarm. Yeah, the strobe in there is flashing. Got strobes in there. Yeah, see how the magnet right there, the doors will close. Kind of. Yeah. I wish I could pull it, but that probably wouldn't be a good idea. See if this door resets. Nope. It won't reset. Just relax. There's a room right there. That's loud. Bright, that alarm is bright. It's a fun day right now. That's the girls. I don't know when they're going to turn the lights off, but it was pretty dang loud at first, but it's like a clicking sound. Nope. So that's like a fire door that closes when the alarm goes off. I don't know when it's gonna end, but these fire alarms are super bright. Some crazy punk pulled the fire alarm. These are bright. Those are a little warm. Elevators won't go anywhere. Who knows how long these things are going to be going off? This is going off for another 5 more minutes. I'm just going to have to wrap out of here because this is annoying. Not annoying, like. I bet that's what it sounds like over at Somerset High School.
My name's Enoch, and I've been with her like
Thanks for my patience.
Well,
All right, I'll give you that.
I guess. I don't know how long it is. I don't know how much longer it's going to be. Whew. Oh, you got a strobe right here. Wow. Look at this one right here. It's one of the panels. That's locked. Tornado sirens.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You can only hear them outdoors, man. They're loud. This strobe is bright.
Which one is closer to us, y'all?
What? Why? Be careful.
Which one is closer to us? Yeah, that's
Did
what
the
I mean.
fire department come? Because I think I saw a truck come for a.
Yeah,
They just came for a second.
yeah.
Did you say some little body pulled it?
I'm thinking, I don't know who did it. I have no idea.
Oh, that's weird. Really weird. Somebody pulled the fire alarm. Oh, God. What? Some I don't know. Alarms are loud. Look, you can see their reflection from the window. Looks like they're flashing. Well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and go. What happened? The fire alarms went off. What happened? Did somebody pull it, or was there like something overheated or something?
She don't speak a lot of English.
Well, I guess we ought to go now. So there's the pool in there. You can barely see that light flashing. I'm getting ready to go, so I gotta make this quick. Yeah, the strobes are flashing. Those doors closed. God, that alarm was loud. You see the other one in there? Who knows how long this thing's gonna be going off, but I'm leaving now, so somebody pulled it. I don't know why. The fire department came for a second, but everything's okay, so I'm gonna go now, but goodbye, hotel. Hope they get the alarm reset, so there you go. Turn it off, that's okay.
Come on, guys.
Usually, now I'm not gonna say this is the whole. Excuse me, sir. You don't mind? Excuse me, sir. Is that? I just was wondering if I could come watch y'all reset, if that's okay.
Sure. Yeah, it's just a key turn.
I know. Oh, there's one right there.
Right here.
It's the third floor, I think we said.
Oh, you're gonna. Oh.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you for showing us that.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, have a good day.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. No, we don't reset it. Three down here, or seven.
set it. That's weird how the alarm went off. Elevators don't go anywhere. I think. I'll just wait until they turn off. So you said it was it like a little kid or some young kid that just pulled it, or?
Oh, we're not sure. I'm not sure about that. They yeah, they won't tell me. No way.
That's okay.
I'm not sure about that.
Wonder when they're gonna turn it off.
They're working on it. They said it should be up in like 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Right. Oh. Wonder how long this alarm's been going off.
Almost 30 minutes.
They're not long.
Thank you, Mom.
Hey. What was that? Looks like he's gonna reset it. There we go. Hey.